Okay, we have a Fadal vertical machining center, model VMC 6030HT, serial number 012008111917. This machine was new in 2009 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC, model 18i MB5 control. Right now we're running. It's 1,000 RPM. Goes up to 10,000 RPM. It's a Cat 40 spindle. You have a side mount tool changer, 24 station. 2,500 RPM. You have a large table, 62.58 by 30. We're shifting, we're going into the high range. 4,500. This is a boxway machine. On all axes. 6,500 RPM.
7,800 RPM.
7,800, okay. So the machine has a large table capacity of 4,120 pounds. You have 60-inch of X-axis travel, 30 of Y and 30 of Z. And we're going to do that for you. That's your Y. Your X. And your Z. And you can see your boxways there and your telescopic screw cover. And we're going to do a tool change. You also have FANUC motors and drives. Okay, we'll do another. Great. Okay, I think you've seen it. Thanks for watching our video.